I was moving my radios.
A severe thunderstorm was located near North Bend, or 16 miles southeast of Whitehall, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Not okay.
Severe weather has been reported by the public. Reported 1-inch hail at 2:45 p.m. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Why are you on display?
The storm will be near Black River. Falls around 3:55.
You're not getting it for some reason.
Will still around 4:05 p.m. Other locations affected by the severe thunderstorm include Franklin, Melrose, Shamrock, the Black River, Correctional Center, Pigeon Creek Campground, Camp Denver, and Beach Corners. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 109 and 135. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
Oh my god. Holy that!
For the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings.
Why?
Listen to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets.
Both my 100s failed. Awesome.
This is Weather Radio.